Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill the Imm5669E form. First, locate the form on the official government website. Start by filling in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and current marital status. Make sure to use the exact information as it appears on your official identification documents. Accuracy is crucial for processing your application smoothly. Next, move on to your educational history. List all schools, colleges, and universities you have attended, starting with the most recent. Include the dates of attendance and any degrees or certificates obtained. Following this, meticulously document your employment history for the past 10 years or since your 18th birthday, whichever is more recent. Provide job titles, employer names, and precise dates. Now, let's tackle your residential history. You need to list every address where you have lived since your 16th birthday or for the past 10 years, whichever is more recent. Ensure you include the full address and the exact start and end dates for each period. After that, detail all your travel outside your country of origin, specifying the destination, purpose of travel, and precise dates of entry and exit. Finally, complete the section regarding your family members, including your parents, spouse, or common-law partner, and all children, whether dependent or not. Provide their full names, dates of birth, and current addresses. Once all sections are thoroughly completed and reviewed for accuracy, sign and date the declaration at the end of the form. Remember, providing false information can have serious consequences. Also, for great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.